When Lamborghini launched the Gallardo in 2003, they weren't just introducing a new model, they were redefining what an entry-level supercar could be. And let's be clear, there was nothing entry-level about it. The Gallardo was sharp, aggressive, and unmistakably Lamborghini. With its low, angular body and signature scissorless doors, it had the exotic look of a raging bull ready to charge. But under the hood, it had bite. A 5.0-liter V10, later upgraded to 5.2 liters, delivered a ferocious sound and up to 570 horsepower in its final versions. This wasn't just a car, it was a thrill machine. It roared from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds, with a top speed north of 200 miles per hour. It was raw, responsive, and utterly addictive. But what made the Gallardo truly special was its balance. It was the first Lamborghini built under Audi's guidance, and the influence showed. The build quality improved, the handling became sharper, and suddenly you had a supercar that could be as wild as you wanted or as civilized as you needed. It was still a Lamborghini, but one you could drive every day. And it didn't stop at one version. Over its 10-year production run, the Gallardo evolved constantly. Spider, Superleggera, Squadra Corse, Valentino Balboni Edition, you name it. It raced, it cruised, it turned heads everywhere it went. By the time the last one rolled off the line in 2013, over 14,000 units had been built, making it the best-selling Lamborghini of all time at the time. But beyond the numbers, the Gallardo did something even more important. It brought Lamborghini to a whole new generation. It made owning a Lamborghini just within reach, while still delivering the jaw-dropping looks, performance, and emotion the badge promises. The Gallardo wasn't just a supercar.